Brown here, back at the West Auckland job. Pardo and I are doing the last few doors now, and then there are door handles. Go on here, dummy door handles to go on here. Up here, as you can probably see, we're gonna make some MDF door panels. They should be very exciting. Stay tuned. We've been putting brand new doors inside old door frames. So often the frame's a bit crooked and it's a case of evening things out. I think we've done a pretty good job. We've put over 30 doors in now, including the front door. And Pardo here is doing a double glass door thing.
Scott normally gives me the tricky ones because I'm better. Not bragging or anything.
I don't think that's true. So next step is all the door locks. And then we've just got 3 door panels that are going to go on the sliding rails that I picked up yesterday. And that'll be all the doors. And then
What?
locks, door locks,
lock.
and the ceiling. So we're doing good.
We're getting there.
We're getting there.